Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really exciting video as always. Well, for me anyway. But today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the brand new Revolution Pro Goddess Glow 12-day advent calendar. So before we get into this bad boy, if you are new here, hello, welcome. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because I am uploading back to back at the moment. Yesterday we did a full review of the trio palette from the brand new Revolution and Friends collection 4 and the Thanksgiving collection. That was what was yesterday's video. I had an absolute nightmare with that video, so it had to go up as Friday's video instead of Thursday's. Or honestly, I don't even want to go into it. But today we have the 12-day advent calendar. It's the first time, I believe, I'm pretty sure it's the first time that Revolution Pro, I'm like 100% sure that Revolution Pro have done an advent calendar, and this is this one. So if you remember the Goddess Glow collection that launched earlier in the year, I ended up buying the bundle. It came with like I don't think I've got it to hand. I don't actually know where it is. I think I put all the stuff back into my drawers, to be honest with you. Yeah, I've put all the things into the drawers and give them all a little home. So it came with stuff like a shimmer brick, a bag, an eyeshadow quad. There was loads that was in that bundle, and I really like the collection. I've also been using the lip oil. It's in my lip oil drawer. So I'm really excited to see what is inside this advent calendar. However, it is £60, so it is an expensive one. However, Revolution Pro is normally a more expensive brand from Revolution, so I can kind of get it, but it better be some good stuff in here for 60 quid. So I've worked it out, it would be £5 behind each door. So let's just get straight into it. So when you open it, it just looks like this. Beautiful. And then let's just go in day by day. By the way, I'm going to be back tomorrow with a full PR haul unboxing. So hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. The day that you're actually watching this video, I'm in Liverpool with my Patreons, which is just absolutely amazing. We've booked an apartment, we're staying over, we're going shopping, we're going on a night out. So yeah, right now, I mean, it's 8:10 that I'm filming this. So 8:10 on Saturday, I'll probably be like halfway getting ready. Maybe have like a little bit of drink by then. Honestly, I'm just so excited. So yeah, we have day 1, which is a nice, a big chunky one. And let's see what is in here. Ooh, okay, wow, okay. This is the Goddess Glow Eye Quad. So it just looks like this. This is like a full-size one. So this is literally like a full-size one, like what you would get. That packaging though. Ooh. Oh my god, it's got a gold in it, which is so me. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. That is beautiful. The packaging on this is absolutely stunning. It's the same as the other quads that I did before, where it is very, very shimmer heavy. Like it's got 4 shimmers inside it. But obviously it is meant to be like a glow quad. So that's the only reason that I let it off of not having any mats. But the packaging is beautiful. I'm buzzing with that for day 1 already. Let's go to day 2. Day 2 is also a big box as well. I have also got the Revolution Pro Rockstar Advent Calendar, so please let me know in the comments down below if you would like me to do a video unboxing of that one as well. So next up again, we have a full-size one. Let me just get mine. So my shimmer brick that I bought in my bundle is in the shade Sublime, which looks like this, whereas this one that is in the Advent Calendar is the shade Soliste. And that's how you say it or not. And again, it is a full-size one, so it just looks like this. Ooh, the packaging is the same on the front. Okay, but it's different on the inside. It has that gorgeous gold in it, but as a highlighter. I'll show you the difference between the two. If I'm honest with you, this one that's in the Advent calendar is more my vibe because it's a lot lighter than this one. So yeah, I actually prefer this one over the one that I originally bought. So absolutely buzzing with that. So I'm just having a look on Rev's website to see how much I paid originally for the shimmer brick. So it retails for £10 and it is a brand new shade. The other shades on there are totally different. So that's really, really good as well. So that's a £10 shimmer brick, which obviously each day is worth £5. That's double your money straight away. Let's see what the price was for the quad. And then the quad is also worth £10 as well. So day 1 and 2, you're getting double your money's worth. So I am Very happy with that, especially with having a more expensive price tag. So let's go to day number 3, which is just looks like this. Okay, so day number 3 is a little tub like this, and it just says Lustre Bronze on it. Let's open it up. I'm assuming it's going to be like maybe a cream eyeshadow or something. Ooh, that is nice. Should we do a little swatcheroo? Oh, that is not, that's like a mousse. What is that? Oh my god. Let's do, I'm sorry. It's like, it is like a eye moussey cream. That is sexual. Okay. Okay. That is new and beautiful. Okay then. Was not expecting that. So that is Lustre Bronze. And then day 4 is a totally different shaped box. Let's see what's in this one. Okay. This is, oh, it's a little mini. This is a Goddess Glow Mini Lumi Stick Illuminizer. I'm sorry, but this is actually adorable. So this is a little illuminizer. I'm sorry, that is cute. So it is like a stick highlighter, and then that is just what it looks like. So you can see it in the middle there. Okay, let me know as well. Do you want me to do like a video testing like a full face of this advent calendar? Because this is unbelievable so far. Like, I'm very impressed. I did not expect it to be like this, not gonna lie. And then number 5 is the exact same shape as number 3. So I'm going to assume that it's going to be another one of them moussey eye things, and it's the same pot. Oh, it's a gold one. So this like whole Goddess Glow bronzy collection, it got me so excited when it launched. I wish that they would put some mattes in there though as well. But I just feel like a broken record saying that all the time. And then this, yeah, get it. This is the gold one. Like, look, like literally watch this. Like, it is definitely like a cream moussey eyeshadow. I'm sorry, but that is beautiful. Oh my god. That is stunning. I wonder what this is like, because you all know I have really, really creased eyeballs. So I would like to know whether that actually would crease on me or not. Because normally creamy stuff like that just separates on my eye. And then sometimes you have to like set it with an eyeshadow on top. And then it kind of defeats the point of that being so sparkly and beautiful, because I'm covering it up with an eyeshadow when I could have just gone with the eyeshadow to begin with and not have to go through all that faff on. But we'll have to see what that is like. So that is number 5. I'm literally like covered in glitter. What I will say is I actually quite like how compact this is. Instead of having like a massive advent calendar, it just has everything where you need it to be, but it isn't huge. So number 6, we have a different shaped box. What is this? I see sparkle. Oh my god, Goddess Glow lip gloss. I'm sorry, but this is beautiful. Can I just say, was not expecting this from this advent calendar. I was thinking £60, it better wow me, it better blow my socks off. And it is. I'm very, very surprised. Like, I'm sorry, but this is beautiful. I can't even get the plastic off. I've definitely bodged that up. So this is the lip gloss in the shade Never Ever. Never have I ever. So this, I'm sorry, but this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh my god, that is just what it looks like. Ooh, okay. And the applicator is like a funky one. Oh my god, that is stunning. I'm sorry, but that is a very Tilly Stevo lip gloss colour, which is my mum. It's a very Tilly Stevo one, so I feel like my mum probably nabbed this. Oh my god, that is beautiful. I wish I had a pink lip on so that I could put it on, but I've put red on. Right, so that is number 6. Let's go to number 7. So number 7 is a huge box as well. Oh, okay, what's in here? Oh, okay. We have the classic compact mirror. I will admit this is a lot better quality than the normal ones that we get, where it's like just like a little round thing and it has the logo on one side and the mirror on the other. So this is a lot more fancy. Would I want to pay £5 for this behind a door? Definitely not gonna lie. But this is what it looks like. It is definitely fancy. It's better quality than other ones that we get in advent calendars, but I feel like I just don't get with brand why they keep putting these in. A lot of people buy advent calendars every single year. How many compact mirrors do people need? You know what I mean? I mean, this is their first advent calendar doing the Goddess Glow, so I'll let them off. Kind of. But no, like, oh yeah. But that is number 7. Number 8 is a huge one. It's the biggest one in the advent calendar, and I believe this will be the bag. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. But that is actually adorable. So the day that I'm filming this video is the day before you're watching it. So I haven't actually packed for Liverpool yet. It's currently 8:20. And I haven't actually packed yet. And I think I'm going to take this bag with me because that is actually adorable. So one of the things that I really liked in the bundle what you paid £35 for when it first launched, like the Goddess Glow collection, is the bag. I said the bag is beautiful. Like, it reminds me, I don't know where I've put it. It reminds me of Spectrum. Like, that's what the bag reminds me of. I honestly would not have, I don't have a clue where I'll have put it. I've got things stashed in my wardrobe and everything at the moment because my room's just all over the shop. But it's actually adorable, and I'm sorry, but this is, like, how perfect is this for, like, shoving in your handbag, but also be really good for my contact lens case, hairbrush is not going for in this, hair bubbles and clips and stuff like that will all fit into there really, really nicely, and you're not having to like rummage around with them, or on cotton buds for when I do my makeup, like tweezers, lash glue will all fit in there perfectly. So I'm going to take that to Liverpool with me to Mozza. And then we have day 9. Where are you? So this is another new shape that we've not had before. This is day 9. What the hell is this? Ah, okay. So this is a hair clip. Again, I don't know if it's just me. I just don't want these in advent calendars. I don't want the compact mirror in advent calendars. I just don't. I want makeup. And I know that's very kind of selective for me, because I avoid advent calendars that have a lot of skincare because I'm not going to get my use out of it, and I'm all about the makeup. So this, nice. I don't know if I will use it. I'll try to. The quality is really nice, but is it worth £5 behind a door? No, definitely not. And I'd rather have that over the compact mirror because I'm definitely not going to get my use out of the compact mirror. Like, I have a Lion King compact mirror and I still don't even use that. And that's Lion King. Lion King, you know what I mean? So, you know, I'd love to know what you think down below. The next one is number 10, which again is a new size box. We only actually have one size of this box in here. Oh, okay. So I like this one because we have brushes behind this door, but we have 2, which is much better because if it was one brush and it was £5 per door, I would be a bit disappointed with that. Obviously, again, I do know that Revolution Pro is the more luxe, expensive kind of brand of Revolution, but I still want to get a bargain. So we have this gorgeous fluffy one, and then we have this kind of packing on one. So that is them 2 brushes. So I'm very happy with that. And I'm happy that the full size. I say this a lot, but so the 11, second from last. Let's have a look what's in here. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I think this is going to be like a contractable, is that the word? No. Retractable brush. So this is just what it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Oh, smells nice. I don't know why. I don't think it's meant to. But that is a little brush. Yeah, again, it wouldn't be one that I would use that much, but it's better than a compact mirror, I'm not going to lie. And then last but not least, we have day 12, and it better be a good one for the last one. And let's see. Oh my god, I think it's going to be another lip gloss. Oh, it's a nude one. It's a fucking nude one. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh, this is totally... Oh my god, I'm buzzing with this advent calendar. There's some things that I would like to change in it, but overall, oh, this one's called Nude Illusion. This is sexy. Oh, it's got a gold glitter in it as well. So this is just what it looks like. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the shimmers in this. Oh my god, you can see it there. Oh, wow. I'm sorry, but this is gorgeous. Okay, I'd be really happy with day 12. 100%. So that is everything that is in this advent calendar. So I would love to know what you think down below. So to be fair, you get a lot in here. You get in a shimmer brick, which is worth £10. You get in the quad, which is worth £10. You get 2 brushes. You get the little bag, which is really, really cute as well. And that would definitely be like worth a £5. We got them little creamy pot eyeshadow things. Obviously I don't know the price of them because they don't sell them separately, but I can imagine them being around about £5-ish anyway, £5-6, and they are beautiful. So yeah, quite a few different things, like an illuminator stick as well. I just wish that they didn't have the hair clip and the compact mirror in there. The hair clip I get it because it kind of goes with the theme. The compact mirror, I'm just sick of brands doing it, regardless of the brand. So yeah, that is just my honest opinion. So yeah, what do you think of this advent calendar? Are you going to buy it? Are you going to wait for it to go hopefully in the sale? Obviously Black Friday and everything's coming up, so it might go into a Black Friday sale. Who knows? Who knows? I'd love to know what you think down below. I will hopefully see you tomorrow for a huge PR haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you to my patrons as well for being so lovely. I nearly forgot to mention them when the day that you're watching this, I'm actually with them in person. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully will see you tomorrow. Okay, love you, bye.